70s classic here at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one's a 1976 Lincoln Continental Mark IV. Odometer shows a little over 28,000 miles, believed to be original miles in this car. And as we walk around it, I'm going to point some things out, make it very believable. All right, underneath the hood, 460 V8 power. That's paired up with a C6 automatic transmission. Of course, nicely equipped. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Technician did note AC compressor does kick on and off. It's still R12, doesn't blow real cold, may need to be recharged. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front on this one. And this is one of the things I want to point out is, yes, there's a few small little chips, little pebble marks here or there, but overall, look at this chrome, especially on the grill and the condition of it. If you've seen one of these cars with over 100,000 miles, 130, 140,000 miles, they start to really get a lot of little chips, a lot of little nicks up front because of that flat surface. This one, yeah, there's a few, but not many. And then also the condition of that chrome, it has not seen a lot of miles. Still pictures. Take a look at the underside of this car. Look at the engine bay. Look at the interior, the trunk. You'll see what I'm saying. It does not appear that it's had a lot of use. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Newer white wall radial tires. I believe it was 2017 date code on those. So still in nice shape. And they are riding on the forged aluminum wheels. And these are the original wheels, folks. Take a look at the condition of those. Very nice condition as far as the aluminum wheels. If they had been on the road very much, out in the weather, they're not going to appear as nice as they are. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. It appears to be original paint, and this paint is yellow gold diamond fire. Now, we do have some little spots where there's been rock chips behind the wheel wells, a little bit of corrosion, but not much at all. Just take a look at the lower rockers on this car. In the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the undersides of the doors. Check those out. You can see it's not full of nicks, dings, scratches. That paint still has a nice shine to it. Some things that are going to come along with this car. The original window sticker, owner's manual, warranty plate, and just original manuals and some of the paperwork. So that will go along with the car. You're going to see that in the still pictures. So we have this gold interior, and this is leather, and this is the original interior. Look, it's free of much wear. There's no rips, holes, tears. So it does not appear that it has been sat in a whole lot. Let's put it that way. AM, FM, 8-track player. You can see the 8-track down there. 8-track player works. We do have this partial vinyl roof. This is the original vinyl on this car. And again, you can see the condition of it. You know, is the paint perfect? No, but does it show very, very well? Absolutely. Look at this. Electric rear defog in a 1976. Take a look at the chrome on the rear bumper and the condition of that. That is original chrome that has not been re-chromed. Still has the original selling dealer's insignia tag on the back of it. And once again, look at the underside pics, the engine bay. We are going to start it up. I'm going to let you hear it run. We're going to take a peek underneath the hood. I want to show you some things underneath there too, showing very little wear and very little miles. UniqueClassicCars.com. This is pretty cool. All right, behind the gas door, letting you know, unleaded gasoline only. You think this plastic piece would stick in there for very long? It's amazing that it's still in there just from time, but if this thing had 130,000, 120,000 miles on it, I highly doubt that that is going to be in the condition it is in, let alone still on the car. All right, let's take a look down this driver's side. A couple notes from the technician on this one. It does have a new steering coupler. Drives out very well, and Jason's going to take it for a drive at the end of this video. take you for a virtual ride, if you will. It brakes straight. The brakes are 80% in the front, 70% in the rear. It still has a catalytic converter on it. And he did mention the cruise was in op. So you can see up and down this driver's side also, free of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. We do have a little bit of that wear where there's been a little bit of rock chip, what have you, but it's just surface corrosion. Take a look in the still pictures, you're gonna be able to see what I'm saying. A very solid underside of this car. All right, driver's side. All right, so door panels. First of all, hardly any wear on that armrest. Up here where you start to get the wear from the oils and the skin and the arm sitting on there and the grime that starts to build up. No, nothing on this one. This one does have power seats both sides, power windows, power locks, remote mirror. And then look at the actual carpeting. It is not all matted down. It's not dirty. Again, the wear on the seats, a very little wear on those leather seats. All right, so you can see what the odometer reads right there, 28,185. And again, I cannot confirm or deny that that's original. Once a car's so old, it does not stay in the title. It's marked exempt. But everything I've seen on this car leads me to believe that that would be 28,000 miles, not 128,000. Another example, look at the top of that dash. Does not sat out. Sun-baked. Does not appear to have a lot of use. Dash is in nice shape. All right. We do have one light on. That's low fuel. Not going to be able to read it, how bright it is in the video. Again, AM, FM, 8-track, and that is working. There's AM. I did have the 8-track in here working. Little country hits for lovers. 10 famous Nashville songs from Nashville artists. Pretty cool. 8-track working. All right. That 460 down on idle. Yes, that 70s warning chime is also working. Headliner, good shape. Check out the interior and the stow picks also. Oh, nice, see that door closes, and did you hear that? Smooth runner, you can barely hear it. And again, that's a 460. All right, slip up to the front. I want to pop this hood. Let me take a peek at the engine bay because I want to show you some things underneath here also. Let me get that hood open. All right, so there's a peek at the underside of the hood. Now, engine bay. We have a few recordings from back in the day on these service stickers, I guess if you will, dated back late 70s, early 80s. No recorded miles over 28,000 on those. It's actually in the low 20s, upper teens. And then take a look at the emissions sticker and the valve covers on this. Still very readable. Still have markings on the valve covers back here. This is a clean, tidy engine bay. Does not appear, again, to have over 120, 130,000 miles on it. The paint and the air cleaner still has a shine to it. And again, look at the stickers, you can still read them. Smooth runner. Again, 460 V8 power, C6 automatic transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC does need a little care. Still R12, compressor kicks on and off, doesn't blow cold. Battery disconnect for when it's in storage. And again, comes with a window sticker, owner's manual, warranty card, and some miscellaneous paperwork. 1976 Lincoln Continental Mark IV, yellow gold diamond fire. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1976 Lincoln Continental. Gold with a, you might call it beige interior, very 1976. Bringing you back to that decade for sure. Now I do have a low fuel light and the gauge is reading about empty, so that's likely accurate. Our speedometer's working. We have a clock on the left from Cartier. Do not see that moving. This is an automatic on the column, so it's easy to drive. Down below, an 8-track player is intact. And it is working. The wipers also work and the blower motor works on this car. Luxurious seats. Now the steering wheel's cocked a little bit to the left, and that doesn't affect performance at all. Letting go of the wheel. The car stays straight in lane. Maybe a slight drift to the right. Brakes feel good, nice and smooth. Wood grain on the dash, of course, and on the steering wheel, and on the doors. Very 1976, as I was saying. You gotta love that stuff. It brings you right back. If you grew up in that era, or you're just a fan, maybe you were a little kid. They bring back memories. Luxurious in the corners for sure, as a full-size Lincoln should be. Take a look at all the pictures of this big 1976 Lincoln Continental at uniqueclassiccars.com.